we're making mini chili cheese dogs.
If you love King's Hawaiians, you're really going to love this recipe. And these are going to be the buns for our mini chili cheese dogs.
Okay, so we're just going to take half of them and we'll set these aside for later. Okay, and now let's just get that paper out of there. So we're just going to cut a V in these. Just like that. And then pull them out. We're going to put these on our baking dish. Just like that. Then we're going to cut our hot dogs.
Now, these hot dogs we made in our Instant Pot. And if you'd like to see how to make hot dogs in your Instant Pot, watch this video next. We're going to cut these into smaller pieces that are going to fit inside of these little King's Hawaiian buns. Just like that.
Just like that. Just cut them in half. You're just going to go in just like that.
Next, we've got some of our Instant Pot chili. And if you'd like to see how we made that, watch this video next.
Just gonna put a little bit on there.
Now, of course, if you wanted to, you could put other toppings on here. You could put onions, you could put jalapenos, whatever you want. You do you. But we're doing chili cheese, and sometimes I like just a chili dog with no hot dog.
And that's that may be a regional thing where we're at.
I don't know, but I mean, there are lots of regional hot dog preferences.
And then, of course,
just some nice shredded cheddar cheese.
And don't be shy with the cheese.
One thing I bet would be good would be the French fried onions on there, or the French fried jalapenos.
They would add an extra dimension of kick on, or crunch. To each their own.
To each their own. That's the beauty about food. You get to eat how you want.
All right. And that's all there is to assembling.
Yep. Pretty easy.
So now we're going to bake these in the oven.
Just until the cheese melts, because the hot dogs are already cooked. The chili has already been cooked, so we just want to warm the bread and melt the cheese.
So 350, we're going to start with about 10 minutes.
Until the cheese melts.
All right, and 10 minutes later, that's what they look like. Yummy, tasty, the bread's a little crunchy, and they are ready to eat. Now you might have to give these a little cut just to separate them. Of course, we don't want to burn ourselves. And that's all there is to it. King's Hawaiian mini chili cheese dogs. Let us know if you make them. Tell us in the comments how you like them. And watch this video next for another great recipe from Ghost Toast Kitchen. By the way, we used those other 6 Hawaiian rolls to make more mini chili cheese dogs.